Take out the inlet flange parts from major maintenance kit GWMMK300. Install the air inlet filter at the air inlet position of the inside fixed scroll plate and install the O-ring at the groove of the inlet flange.
Retighten the 4-socket head cap screws that secure the inlet flange to the inside fixed scroll plate.
Take out the exhaust flange parts from major maintenance kit GWMMK300. Insert the parts in sequence. Install the spring retaining ring, wrap the raw material tape and tighten the exhaust valve head and the inside fixed scroll plate.
Insert the parts in sequence. Install the spring retaining ring. Wrap the raw material tape and tighten the gas valve assembly and the inside fixed scroll plate.
Take out one O-ring from major maintenance kit GWMMK300 and install it on the outer edge of the inside fixed scroll plate.
Take a small amount of anaerobic adhesive with a stick and evenly apply it to the main shaft hole of the outside fixed scroll plate.
Take out the other fixed scroll plate bearing from major maintenance kit GWMMK300. Use the assembly sleeve for bearing and shaft seal GWRK3002 for of maintenance toolkit and hammer to install the bearing into the main shaft hole of the outside fixed scroll plate. Note that the hammer should gently hit the tool in a diagonal direction until the bearing reaches the bottom.
Select the remaining tip seal in the same direction as the scroll line of the outside fixed scroll plate, and install it with the sliding sealing surface upward and the elastic support soft surface downward. First fix the top of the remaining tip seal at the center of the outside fixed scroll plate. Press the sliding sealing surface of the top tip seal by hand along the extending direction of the top sealing groove of the scroll plate, and install it into the sealing groove.
Leave an empty slot of 10 to 15 mm at the end of the sealing groove and cut off the tip seal. Confirm that the top of the tip seal is not less than 0.2 mm higher than the top of the scroll wall. Take out the other O-ring from major maintenance kit GWMMK300 and install it on the outer edge of the outside fixed scroll plate.
Install the orbiting scroll plate on the inside fixed scroll plate and note that do not let the tip seal on the top of the orbiting scroll plate fall off. Turn the crank pin shaft in the same direction to ensure smooth rotation, then press down the orbiting scroll plate. Dip in a small amount of lubricating oil and evenly apply it to the main shaft and the bearings inside of the main shaft hole.
Install the 3-hole end of the main shaft down to the orbiting scroll plate assembly and the inside fixed scroll plate assembly.
After the position of the wire plug of the outside fixed scroll plate and the small O-ring of the inside fixed scroll plate correspond to the gas ballast valve, install the outside fixed scroll plate assembly onto the inside fixed scroll plate assembly. Turn the main shaft in the same direction to ensure smooth rotation.
Install the 6 socket head cap screws. Adjust the torque towards clockwise of the hexagonal torque wrench to the value 1.2 and tighten the socket head cap screws in a diagonal direction to secure the outside and inside fixed scroll plates.
Place the fixing keys of the inside fan and the main shaft into the keyway of the main shaft and install the inside fan. Then fasten the socket head cap screw together with the spring washer and the gasket. Place the fixing keys of the outside fan and the main shaft into the keyway of the main shaft and install the outside fan. Then fasten the socket head cap screw together with the spring washer and the gasket. Rotate the fan by hand to check its smooth rotation and confirm that the rotational resistance is slightly greater than before disassembly.
Take out the elastic coupling from Major Maintenance Kit GWMMK300 and place it on the coupling of the motor assembly.
Install and fix the pump head and motor assembly with the raised face of the inside fan facing the elastic coupling.
Check and confirm that the inside fan rotates smoothly. And tighten the 6 socket head cap screws of the pump head and motor assembly.
When assembling the pump head and motor assembly, it should be noted that the position of the air inlet must be consistent with that before disassembly.
Fix the fan cover on the outside fixed scroll plate with 3 socket head cap screws. The first time reassembly of the pump finished.